Hey there, Hometown Roofing Company. This is Danny Scott with Undrtow Digital. I wanted to make sure I could get this video over to you about your site with just some tips and tricks that you can use to outrank your competition. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. Of course, I want to give you as much value as possible, and I don't want to waste my time as well. So if by the end of this you do see that I've quite a bit of knowledge in this space, and you would like help with ranking your site to beat out your competition, feel free to reach out and we can chat. But if not, no harm, no foul. You know, I just want to make sure that you can get some value from this. So, excuse me, I'm going to go over three things really fast. Three things that are very impactful, but that if you implement right now, can actually like rank your site a lot higher than your competitions. And so those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we'll start with content. Content is going to be everything on this page right here. So your homepage. So it's going to be like the images behind everything like this, the actual images themselves, and then the written out content that you have going right here. And so when it comes to the actual written content, for my clients and for my sites that I make, we don't do less than 1,500 words. So 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage is pretty necessary if you want to rank pretty high out here, mostly because, yeah, it's a little wordy, but you want to pack as many keywords as possible, and you don't want it to be like keyword, because the Google crawlers will find that and they'll see that more spammy. You want it to flow, you want it to be organic, and you want to make sure that when the Google crawlers do like hit up your site to understand like what your business is about, it's very clear. It's very intentful, so it helps them understand where to push your business when it comes to receiving different prospects. When it comes to the pictures themselves, they need to be saved as the higher ranking keywords. So if it's like Raleigh roofing, and Raleigh roofing service, Raleigh, whatever it might be, if those are what you're saving your pictures as, that's also going to help because the Google crawlers will see that as well. And then when it comes to the actual background images, they must be relevant. Yours are obviously great. I was checking out your service pages right here. We usually do around like 750 words minimum for our service pages, because especially these are the pages that can rank, that people would want to find out what you actually offer and how you do it. So I would definitely put more services in here, more images in here. Same with everything, but still an okay site, you know. But I would say definitely implement that to get a little bit more foot traffic on your site. So moving on to citations. Actually, quick note. So Google has the Google guarantees, which I'm pretty sure you've seen by now. The thing when it comes to running ads is a lot of people nowadays in 2022 going into 2023 have ad blocks on their browsers, just because it's been a thing where it's been very spammy or scammy rather, that people have been running Google ads for businesses that might not exist. And so a lot of people don't like to see Google ads. And so you could run ads, but you might be missing out on a big part of the actual industry. So just wanted to put that out there. So when it comes to a citation, what a citation is, it's going to be your business name, like Raleigh Roofers, your business address, which they have in here, and then your business phone number as it appears in the map pack section. And so to rank higher in the map pack section, you have to have as many citations as possible in directories. And a directory is like City Star, Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, LinkedIn, Facebook, stuff like that, essentially. So the more directories that you have your citations in, the higher you're going to be able to rank on here. And it's also going to help your ranking in the organic as well when it comes to getting as many citations as possible. And so the last part that I would like to touch on is going to be the backlinks. And so what a backlink is, it's pretty simple. It's a link linking from one site to your site and from another site to your site. And they're not all created equal, but let me get into that in a second. So this tool right here is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. It's about, I paid $300, $400 a month for my team and myself. But what you can do with this is you can look up the different keywords. You can look up your dominance of your URL, the trustworthiness of your URL in Google's eyes, and you can look up backlink information for you and about your competition. So essentially, this is your site right here. Your URL dominance and URL trustworthiness is not super great, but that's okay. That's just something to build on. As you can see, you only have 12 referring domains giving you 30 backlinks, and all this is resulting to essentially 1 click of traffic per month. So not that much, but that's all right. I have your competition pulled up right here. So you have Raleigh Roofing Company, And when we go into their Ahrefs profile, same thing. They have 44 referring domains, but 300,016 backlinks. So, and we'll dive into that in a second, but they have very, very powerful backlinks, and that's why they're ranking so high. A decent amount of keywords, but that's giving them 1.2K in organic traffic a month. And I'm sure, that's quite a bit of clicks, and definitely some clicks that we would like to get your business, or I'm sure you would like for your own business. And then another one is Socorro's Roofing Company out here in Raleigh, and I have them pulled up in Ahrefs as well, and they have 357 referring domains, giving them 1.17K backlinks, which is resulting in 2.4K organic traffic per month. So compared to yours, obviously you don't have very much, but that's fine to build up on. But I'm sure you can imagine what like over 2,000 potential clients on your site a month could do for your business, and that would be great. So let's go actually into right here, and we can look up the backlinks that your competition has. So essentially what you can do is you can go into their backlinks, and you can pretty much use the same backlinks that they have, and link your site to different sites. And as you can see, not all backlinks are created equal. So you want backlinks that are very, very relevant, very similar to where your site is. So they have Home Blue. What's another one? They have Indie Week. They have the best rated. They have Yellow Pages, of course, Best Pros in Town, Raleigh Mag, Raleigh Architects, Roofing Architects. So as you can see, very relevant, very impactful for their site. And so you could literally just go in here and click on their links, see what they did to get their links, and link your site to these same sites to rank higher and just pretty much outdo them. If they have, 300,000, as you can see right here, they have like 300,000. So you do 350,000, you do 400,000. Obviously, it sounds like a lot, but that's why, there's marketing companies like me out there that can help you with that. Then the last thing I wanted to kind of touch on is the keywords. And so same with the keywords, you can go into your competition's site essentially, and you can see all the keywords that they're using. So they're using quite a few keywords. Not all keywords are created equal as well. Some rank higher, some don't. And actually, we're going to see that right now. So as you can see, hail damage, roof repair. It has, so this, the volume is going to be the amount of clicks per month, and the KD is essentially the competition. So the lower the KD number is, means that there's less competition. And if there's a lot of volume, which there is right here, then these are going to be keywords that if people look up, you're going to get a lot more traffic. They're getting 77 traffic per month with just this one keyword alone, and so you pretty much go through here, you see the highest ranking ones with the lowest amount of competition, you use these on your site, and that can help you rank a lot higher. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm kind of going over the time that I usually do, but I just wanted to make sure that you were able to find some value in this. So as I said at the beginning, if you would like to chat and move forward, and you see that I have some knowledge in the space, reach back out and let's talk, because we would love to help. But if not, completely all right. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.